Welcome to Reflections with the mirror line off the object this time. So as we can see, the line in the middle is our mirror line, or our line of reflection. And we also have our object of a beautiful diamond. Now, the difference between this reflection and another reflection is that the mirror line is not attached to the object. So you could see that there's at least two squares between the object and the mirror line. So what this means is, when you're doing reflections, everything has to be equal on the other side of the mirror line. So you cannot just make this object and attach it to the mirror line. Your object is going to have to be at least two squares away from the mirror line. So like I said, this is the same thing as doing connected dots. Just like how you go into a restaurant and you would play connected dots with at the table as a kid. So we're going to start right over here. I normally like to start with the closest object, or as closest point to the mirror, and this one is two squares away from the mirror line. So you could take a look. So one and two. So this means that the same spot right over here is going to have to be two squares away from the mirror line on the other side. So we could count 1, 2. So we know that one point is going to be right there. Now we can do the next corner, and we're going to count again. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3 points away from the mirror line. So you're going to have to count again on the other side of the mirror line. 1, 2, 3. So the other corner is going to be right over there. Now for the bottom corner, you're going to do the same thing. Count how many squares it is away from the mirror line. It's 3, and that's 4. So this one's going to be 4 away from the mirror line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our furthest point away from the mirror line is going to end up over there. And finally, we're going to use our last corner, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 points away from the mirror line. We need to count 3 more. 2, 3. And now we have all corners on our grid. Now, all we have to do is connect the dots. Connect over there, there, and there. And now we have a reflected image of our diamond on the other side at equal distance. And that is what is key to reflections. It has to be the equal distance and the same size as the original.